Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. For those seeking to immigrate to Australia, the Department of Home Affairs has announced that the Permanent Residence, Skilled Regional Visa, Subclass 191, would no longer have an income requirement. The Department of Home Affairs released this important statement on the Skilled Regional PR Visa, Subclass 191. Even though there are no minimum income criteria, 191 visa candidates must still produce the Notice of Assessment for a period of 3 years. The most recent amendments provide eligible holders of the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional, Subclass 494, and Skilled Work Regional Provisional, Subclass 491, visas a realistic path to permanent residence. Let's go further into the details and implications of this immigration change. No minimum income threshold. There is no longer a statutory provision defining a minimum income level for the Permanent Residence, Skilled Regional Visa, Subclass 191, which is effective immediately. For candidates who previously struggled to achieve a certain income threshold, this move is a huge relief. The removal of this requirement shows the Australian government's dedication to streamlining the immigration process and assisting immigrants who advance the country's economy. Notices of assessment. Although there is no minimum income requirement, major candidates for the Permanent Residence, Skilled Regional Visa, Subclass 191, must now submit notices of assessment from the Australian Taxation Office for 3 income years out of the 5 years that their visa is valid. This supporting paperwork attests to the applicant's good financial standing and tax filing compliance. Applicants who have already submitted their applications must check to make sure that they have these 3 notifications of evaluation included. Enhanced prospects for permanent residence. This most recent policy modification is a huge step in giving migrants who are currently living and working in Australia clarity. The Australian government wants to develop a migration system that is more in line with the interests of the nation as a whole by doing away with the minimum income criteria. This action promotes a flourishing and varied society by recognizing the abilities and contributions that immigrants make to Australia. Simplifying the migration system. The Australian government is making larger attempts to simplify the immigration process, and the abolition of the minimum income criteria is one among them. The government wants to draw in highly qualified persons who can help Australia's economy grow by streamlining the standards and criteria. Additionally, this modification attempts to give qualified immigrants a clearer and easier route to permanent status. For those looking to immigrate to Australia, the recent statement by the Australian Department of Home Affairs regarding the elimination of the minimum income criteria for the Permanent Residence, Skilled Regional Visa, Subclass 191, is a good step. More advantages of this modification. This modification illustrates the government's dedication to a more straightforward and inclusive immigration system that assists migrants who are currently residing and earning a living in Australia. The Australian government is committed to promoting an efficient immigration system that supports our stated goals. This method offers openness on their chances for obtaining permanent residency based on their significant abilities, which further helps immigrants who are already a part of Australia's social fabric and workforce. Australia aims to attract qualified persons who can contribute to the growth and prosperity of the country by providing improved opportunities for permanent residency. We advise you to visit the Australian Department of Home Affairs at homeaffairs.gov.au for more information and updates. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.